Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate to you a safe dock feature that blocks students from inserting images by URL in Google Workspace docs editors to prevent your students from adding and using harmful images in Google Workspace for education. Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms, and Drawings have a feature to insert image by URL. Some schools concern that students may insert inappropriate images from unknown link resources. The left window is a student's Chrome browser without SafeDock installed, and the right window is another student's browser with SafeDock installed. As you can see, SafeDock completely removes the option to insert images by URL. The same goes with Slides, and Drawings. And Sheets. And Gmail. The blocking the inserting image by URL feature is controlled by Block Add Image by URL. If you have yet to install SafeDock, apply for a 30 days trial.